Rattlesnakes are venomous reptiles native to the Americas, especially common in deserts, grasslands, and rocky areas of the United States and Mexico. They are famous for the rattle at the end of their tails, which they shake to warn threats. Despite their fearsome reputation, rattlesnakes usually avoid humans and only strike when they feel threatened. Habitat and living environment. Rattlesnakes prefer warm, dry environments such as deserts, scrublands, and forests. They hide under rocks, in burrows, or inside crevices during the hottest parts of the day to avoid extreme temperatures. During winter, they enter a state called brumation, similar to hibernation, and gather in dens with other snakes to stay warm. If kept in captivity, their enclosure must replicate a desert-like habitat. A large terrarium with a secure lid, heating lamps, and hiding spots is essential. The temperature should be maintained between 75 degrees Fahrenheit to 90 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, with a cooler area to allow temperature regulation. UV lighting is not mandatory but may help simulate natural conditions. Diet. Rattlesnakes are carnivores. In the wild, they feed mainly on small rodents like mice, rats, birds, and lizards. They use their venom to immobilize prey before swallowing it whole. After a meal, they may not eat for several days or even weeks depending on the prey size. In captivity, feeding pre-killed or frozen thawed mice or rats is safer than live prey to avoid injury. Young rattlesnakes eat weekly, while adults may feed every 2 to 3 weeks. Always provide clean, fresh water in a shallow bowl. Behavior. Rattlesnakes are mostly solitary and prefer to be left alone. They are active during early morning or evening hours. The rattle sound is a defense mechanism to scare away potential threats. They can strike quickly if they feel cornered. Rattlesnakes shed their skin several times a year, and their behavior may change during this period. They may become more secretive or irritable. In captivity, avoid handling them unless you are a trained professional. They are not pets for beginners and require special tools like snake hooks and secure containers for safe movement. Care tips. Safety first. Rattlesnakes are venomous. Only experienced handlers should keep them, and anti-venom should be accessible in case of a bite. Secure enclosure. The enclosure must be escape-proof and locked. Ventilation is important, but gaps should be small enough to prevent escape. Temperature and humidity. Maintain proper temperature gradients with heating lamps. Humidity should be around 40–60%. Minimal handling. Avoid unnecessary handling. Use tools and wear protective gear when needed. Health monitoring. Check for signs of stress, infections, or poor shedding. A reptile veterinarian should be consulted regularly. Legal check. Keeping rattlesnakes is illegal in many areas. Always check local laws and obtain permits if required. Conclusion. Rattlesnakes are fascinating and powerful creatures that play an important role in the ecosystem. Their care requires advanced knowledge, respect, and strict safety measures. Whether admired in the wild or responsibly kept in captivity, rattlesnakes remind us of the wild beauty and danger in nature.